So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a few simple Easter decorations, including these little paper Easter eggs. So for the bunny panels, start with a square of white material and draw a bunny shape onto them. I'm drawing kind of like a marshmallow pea shape inspired bunny here, and do have a template for it if you don't want to draw it freehand. And then you just want to cut out your bunny shape, leaving the outside intact. And then put some glue all the way around the bunny shape. You're going to want to use fabric glue because that way you'll be able to wash these later if you need to. So go all the way around the bunny shape, and then just take a scrap of printed fabric and lay that over the glue that you just did, spreading it out so it's nice and flat over the glue. And then put a little more fabric glue along the edges of your scrap of material. And then you just go on to hem the edges if you have material that frays easily. Fold them over twice and either glue or sew along the edges. So when you flip it over, you got your little printed bunny in the center. Mine's still wet, so you can still see the glue marks, but they do eventually dry. And then either glue or sew a little pom-pom or a cotton ball under the center of each of them for the tail. And then you can either just use them as panels, or I chose to use them as temporary cushion covers by just tacking a few stitches in each of the corners. Basically just 2 stitches, and then I just tied them into a knot so that after Easter is over, I can just cut the stitches and take the covers off and go back to my regular cushions. So that's how I'm using mine. So for the carrots, I just got some orange felt. I think this is actually left over from Luke's flight suit. You just want to cut out the carrot shape, and this is also part of the template if you don't want to draw it freehand. And then take some green fabric and cut out the carrot leaves. This part's actually kind of a pain in the neck to cut out all these, but it's an important part of the carrot. So then just take some glue and glue those on. And you can use hot glue for these because you're probably not going to wash a garland. I just already had the fabric glue out, so I'm still using the fabric glue. Just glue those onto the felt carrots. Then take some string, put a little bit of glue on the string, and then just glue your carrots all the way down the string, evenly spacing them out to make yourself a nice little carrot garland. And so then for the paper Easter eggs, cut an egg shape out of a piece of scrapbooking paper or wrapping paper or some kind of leftover scrap paper. Use a bunch of different prints and put one face down, then the next one face up, and then the next one face down, and the next one face up, just alternating till you get the whole stack. And then you just want to take a needle and thread or sewing machine and sew right down the center. And I forgot to film that part, so all you see is the end of it. And then you just tie off the strings, and the top one, leave those long and tie those into a loop so you'll be able to hang your little egg. And then unfold your egg 2 pieces at a time so that the white sides are always hidden inside and all you see are the printed sides. So just carefully unfold 2 pieces at a time until all the little pieces of your egg are spread out. And then you'll be able to just let it spin around, and all you'll see is the printed side. All the white sides will be hidden within. Here's a better shot of all the different colors. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know which of the decorations you like the best.